Hello everyone, welcome back to MG Factor. Today we have got a quick and useful tutorial for all the Audi owners. I will be showing you how to reset your Audi tire pressure monitoring system so you can ensure your ride is safe and performing at its best. Remember, maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial for your safety and performance of your vehicle. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first step is to fill your tire with the recommended tire pressure by the manufacturer. You can find that detail on the driver's side at the bottom of the B pillar. Ensure your Audi ignition is turned on. You don't need to start the engine. Just turn the key or press start stop switch if equipped with to the on position. Now let's move to MMI screen. Select vehicle, look for tire pressure monitor, and click on store tire pressure if you have already filled the tire. Then it will prompt to message, click yes, store now, and the system will start storing, and you will see a prompt message coming up. It has already been stored. So that's the step in this process. You can go back to your home screen if you wish. Now if you see on the screen, there is no warning message. If the above step has not resolved the issue, drive your Audi for about 10 minutes at a speed of 20 miles or more. This helps the system recalibrate and learn the current tire pressure. Stop your Audi and turn off the ignition. Turn it back on and check if TPMS light is not lit or blinking. So congratulations, you have successfully reset your Audi tire pressure monitoring system. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to reset your TPMS. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more similar tips. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and stay healthy.